The Crow and the Fox in the Digital City. A peculiar encounter. In the bustling heart of a vibrant city, amid the flickering screens and the buzz of notifications, two unlikely friends were about to meet. The sun hung low in the sky, casting long shadows on the pavement, as a clever crow perched atop a lamppost, surveying the urban chaos below. The crow, whose feathers shimmered like ink, was known throughout the area for his sharp wit and cunning plans, often leading to mischief that amused many and annoyed a few. Just a few blocks down, a charming fox trotted along the pavement, her orange coat bright against the gray city backdrop. Unlike the crow, she preferred the quieter corners of the city. Her sharp eyes caught every detail, the little bits of fluff between the cracks, the small scraps of food people dropped. They both understood that the city was a treasure trove of opportunities, though they approached it in diametrically opposite ways. On this particular day, however, something was different. The crow cawed sharply, his voice cutting through the noise as he spotted a peculiar sight. "Hey there, Fox, come quick, you won't believe what I found." The allure of digital stars. Intrigued, the fox padded over, her curiosity piqued. "What is it this time, Crow? More shiny bits from the junkyard?" she replied with a hint of skepticism. The crow fluffed his feathers, excitement bubbling beneath his skin. "No, this is different. There's a whole new world emerging in the city, social media. It's as shiny as any piece of treasure." The fox was puzzled. "Social media? What's that?" The crow grinned, his eyes sparkling with intrigue. "It's where all the urban animals gather. They share stories, secrets, and all the gossip. If we play our cards right, we could be the most popular animals around." The fox's ears perked up. Being popular had never occurred to her, but the idea was tempting. What could they gain from this? The crow led the way, wings soaring as he flitted above the crowded streets, while the fox chased after him, eager to understand this new phenomenon. They soon found a cozy cafe bustling with critters, all deep in their own conversations and exchanges, their devices glowing under the warm lights. The crow's clever plan. As they settled in, the crow hatched a plan. "Let's create a post that will capture everyone's attention. I'll showcase my wisdom, and you can flaunt your beauty. Together, we'll stun them." The fox tilted her head, contemplating. She admired the confidence of the crow, yet wondered if their combined efforts were enough. Could they really catch the attention of the bustling crowd? "And what if we fail?" she asked. The crow waved a wing dismissively. "We can't fail if we don't try. Everyone will either love us or at least talk about us. And what could be better than that?" With an air of determination, the fox agreed, ready to embrace the digital realm. Within moments, with a few taps and clicks, their post featuring a shimmering portrait of the fox and a witty quote from the crow had been shared across the screens of countless animals. Comments piled up, likes soared, and before they knew it, they had become the talk of the town. A surprising revelation. As the days rolled on and fame grew, whispers traveled through the online fields, stating that once a character had a certain number of followers or likes, they could connect with others in surprising ways. But here's the twist. The digital world wasn't just a stage for the jests and antics of their lives. They learned that more likes didn't necessarily mean more friends or real connections. In fact, the more they posted, the more they felt a growing gap between themselves and those who didn't join in the frenzy of the screens. "Isn't it strange?" the crow pondered one evening, while gazing at the stars glimmering over the neon skyline. "We thought this would bring us closer, yet I feel alone." The fox nodded, her gaze drifting down the bustling street. "It seems the world has blended itself into both treasure and trickery. Perhaps popularity is just a shadow upon the wall, a mere flicker of light. Real connections shine differently." Seeking real connections. With understanding dawning, the two friends decided to change their approach. Instead of posting solely for likes and shares, they began to use their newfound platform to spotlight the goodness of their community, featuring other animals and their stories. They showcased the hard-working ants gathering food and the wise old owl sharing his tales. In doing so, they noticed something remarkable. They received heartfelt messages, true connections blossomed, and their online presence transformed from shallow fame into meaningful friendships. It became apparent that the joy of sharing was not just about being seen, but truly seeing others. "Perhaps," said the fox one morning, sifting through kind messages, "true popularity lies not in the quantity of likes, but in the quality of hearts we touch." The crow smiled in agreement, realizing that they had turned their digital fame into a platform for kindness and authenticity. The lesson learned. As the sun dipped below the skyline, painting the city in shades of pink and orange, the fox and the crow sat content, reflecting on their journey. Both had learned an important lesson about the digital age. The allure of social media could be blinding, masking true connections behind pixels and screens. In their hearts, they knew that while the city was filled with endless opportunities to shine, the real treasure lay in genuine connections. And with that realization, they became not just popular figures online, but also cherished friends in the vibrant tapestry of their urban life. The moral of their story echoed through the streets. True worth is not measured in followers or likes, but in the hearts you touch and the friendships you nurture. And in that bustling city, the crow and the fox became symbols of authenticity, reminding all who crossed their path of the value of real connections above fleeting fame. Have you ever found yourself caught in the web of social media, only to realize that genuine connections matter most? What has your experience been like?